Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can basically react to Zoom meetings on Zoom Workplace. Anyways, to do that, there's going to be a React here, and you're just going to select the React tab. For instance, you just want to raise your hand here if you're on a Zoom meeting that's like a class, and you want to raise your hand, but you can't talk. I meant like you can't like unmute yourself. Just do that, and once they have answered your question, make sure you select lower hand. You can also react like this, and you can also send it with effects here. I don't know why I can't send it anymore with effects, but you can just add in some reaction like that. I think you can also select from more emojis here as well. Maybe this one, and it will appear here. But that is pretty much it, really super simple. I hope it was helpful for you guys. There's one with effects as well. I don't know. Oh, I do have to, have my camera on. So let's do that. I don't know why this keeps on like being weird, but as you can see, now I can do that. But that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you find this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.